welcome to this program brought to you by Power Forward. Today is Menstrual Hygiene Day. Menstrual Hygiene Day is celebrated every year on the 28th of May, and we have 3 alumni from the Power Forward project here in the studio to talk to us about Menstrual Hygiene Day commemoration. My name is Darkon Rimdan, your host. First off, I would have my guests introduce themselves.
My name is Kulthum, an ex-student from Roberto School Abuja and also an alumni on the Power Forward project.
My name is Valerie, an ex-student from Total Child Model Schools, Abuja. I am also an alumni on the Power Forward project.
My name is Khadija, an ex-student from Rahina School, Abuja. I am also an alumni on the Power Forward project.
It's so good to have all 3 beautiful ladies here in the studio. But then, we need to understand what Power Forward project is about. And I'll start off with you, Kulthum.
The Power Forward project is an in-school youth program that develops capacity in life skills and public health, which uses the game of basketball and social media as a convenient platform to deploy its objectives. The program is funded by the ExxonMobil Foundation and implemented by Pan-Africa in partnership with the National Basketball Association. The program began in August 2013 and is currently in its 9th year of implementation. The project has impacted the lives of over 100,000 beneficiaries. Power Forward benefits 900 adolescents, 450 boys and 450 girls annually from 30 private and public secondary schools spread across the Federal Capital Territory of Nigeria.
Now would be a good time to learn a little more about Menstrual Hygiene Day, May the 28th. Valerie, could you please help us with that?
Yeah, sure. Menstrual Hygiene Day is a global advocacy platform that brings together the voices and actions of more and more organizations, non-profits, government agencies, and many more individuals working together to accelerate awareness, advocacy, and act on menstrual health and hygiene for all women and girls. More specifically, Menstrual Hygiene Day breaks the silence, creates awareness, and changes negative social norms concerning menstrual health hygiene.
Khadija, could you please tell us how we can achieve the goal of ending period poverty?
Oh yeah. All women and girls should be able to access and afford menstrual hygiene products of their choice. For the last 3 years, the MHD movement has been calling for more action and investment in menstrual health and hygiene, using the hashtag #It'sTimeForAction as a rallying cry to accelerate progress. We are now shifting from calling for action to committing to action.
Great stuff. But then, Kulthum, do you agree that poor menstrual hygiene is a public health issue?
Yes, it is. This is why we are here, because we want every girl to know about menstruation, educating the girls and their first period, and more importantly, boys on menstruation, builds our confidence, contributes to social solidarity, and encourages healthy habits. Such information should be provided at home and at school as well.
And Valerie?
Poor menstrual hygiene can pose physical health risks and has been linked to reproductive and urinary tract infections. Many girls and women have limited options for affordable menstrual materials. Providing access to private facilities with water and low cost of menstrual materials could reduce urogenital infections.
Khadija?
When people do not have knowledge about good menstrual hygiene management, everyone's health is threatened. Achieving menstrual health is fundamental to the equality, rights, and dignity of all individuals who menstruate. Nonetheless, menstrual health is still not considered a priority by all.
Thank you for highlighting the challenges. What do you think we can do to address them? I'll start off with you, Kulthum.
We need more investments and action now. We also hope that by talking on shows like this one, engaging with youths in secondary schools and producing materials that we put on our social media platforms, we can raise more awareness about issues on access to affordable and sustainable menstrual hygiene products, for example, sanitary pads, menstrual cups, tampons, etc. This is key to improving menstrual health and hygiene.
Thank you, Kulthum. Throwing it back to all 3 of you, how can our listeners learn more about menstrual hygiene health and other initiatives on the Power Forward project?
We use the opportunity to encourage you to show us how you care about menstrual hygiene by joining the Menstrual Hygiene Day conversation on social media using the following hashtag: #WeAreCommitted, #EndPeriodStigma, #EndPeriodPoverty, #Period Education for all.
We encourage the listeners to follow us on our social media handles for tips on public health, life skills, and basketball drills. Our Instagram handle is panafrica_NG and our YouTube page is Pan-Africa Nigeria.
Thank you all so much for being amazing guests on the show today. That's all the time we have for today. I hope you learned something new and I hope you can provide your support by committing to action toward menstrual hygiene management. Thank you. This program is brought to you by Forward.